Hello and welcome to Summer School with ALCDSB, Algonquin Lakeshore Catholic District School Board. If you are an ALCDSB student, you're going to log in using this website. Whether you're taking a course with us or from another school board, you log in with this website. If you're outside of our school board, then you will log in with your own school board website. So once I click on this and I say go, it will take me to a sign-in page, and the sign-in page is going to ask for your student account, your ALCDSB account. And so it's going to ask for your user account, and usually in school boards it'll be something like this, and your password, and that'll sign you in. So after logging into alcdsb.elearningontario.ca, you're going to come to what's called My Home, and anytime you click on My Home, you come back to this landing page. It has some news items, and it tells you what courses you're enrolled in. And this My Courses and Other Orgs is if you're an ALCDSB student taking a course from another school board, it'll show up in here. Or if you're in another school board, you want to take a course with us, you go to your own eLearning Ontario site, and your course will show up in here under My Courses and Other Orgs. There's a calendar function, support if you want technical support from D2L. Here's a phone number. If it's a summer school specific question, you can email me directly. My name is Chris DeLille. And at the bottom is a couple other things here. Elementary carousel, you won't need that. Office 365, that's only if you're ALCDSB student. Okay, so let's go into the orientation course, which you have access to, and you'll have access to it all summer. In there, you can see now we're at a course home page, and you can click on either this icon or your course home, and it'll take you back to your course home page, and it runs through some tabs of course content and class list and Dropbox and some other tools. Usually there's news items in here and a calendar of what to expect, along with some updates of quiz not attempted or new email or unread feedback in your Dropbox, etc. At the top there's a box here that gives you some information. Account settings, you can't actually do a lot with that. You don't actually change your board email or password doing this, and we'll talk about email and discussions later on in the course content. However, I would like on here on the welcome box to note this thing called progress. If you click on progress, you'll see some ideas of what's happened in your course, and if you can see it, that means your teacher can also see this, so they can see that this test student Billy Joel, when they click on topics visited, they spent 2 seconds on this topic and 2 seconds on that topic. So chances are they didn't read anything in that system. They'll get feedback on their Dropbox. And the one I like at the bottom here is called Login History. And we can break that down even further. If I click on Login History, it tells me when the person logged in, June 1st, June 6th, April 26th. If in summer school you've got more than 3 days absent, automatically there'll be an email sent to you, to your D2L email address, also to your teacher and to the principal for action to be taken, because you can't be missing many days in summer school. Okay, so that's good to know. Let's go back to the course homepage. So if I click on this, and from there I can see class list, and we'll talk about it from there. You can see how to email someone, and your Dropbox where you're going to submit your assignments and get feedback, and there's some other tools, and we'll work through that in the course content. So in the orientation course, there's some frequently asked questions there, and the actual content working through an orientation.